I just got my first ever professional vlogging camera. This is the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II, and I've just heard so many good reviews about this, so I'm just gonna unbox it. And before I was using my phone to vlog, but it just wasn't recording properly, and I just needed something that, you know, worked and all the memory would just be in one place. So you have the instruction booklet and the charger. You have the battery. You have the little clip thing to hold the camera. And then you have the camera. So as you can see, it's really tiny, like smaller than my hand. And then the back should flip up like this. So it'll be really easy for me to record and see myself at the same time. And I think this camera is like really good for beginners like me who have never used a professional camera. Yeah, I'm just gonna figure out how to use this first and then I'll get back to you.
So as you can see, this is a close-up of my new camera, which I'm not gonna lie, it took a while for me to figure out, but after watching a few tutorials, it was pretty straightforward to figure out. I know I'm a bit late because this camera was the hype last year, especially for vloggers, but I still think it's good now compared to a lot of other cameras on the market, plus it was on sale, so why not? You can see on the side that it has a built-in Wi-Fi technology, so you can easily transfer photos to your iOS device, which I don't have, so I don't think I'll be using that, but it may be useful for you. At the bottom, the silver hole is where you insert your tripod, so that's going to be used a lot when I do my sit-down chat videos. Then next to it, you have the slot for your battery and SD card. I actually totally forgot I needed a SD card and had to go out to get one. I just got this SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB SD card. Apparently, Extreme Pro is better for those who want to film more rather than taking photos. Best not to do this with one hand. So I currently have it set on the SCN mode, which stands for Shooting in Scene Mode. It means the camera automatically optimizes settings for the subject or scene. What I love about this setting is the beauty face mode, which kind of gives you this airbrush look. I know a lot of vloggers use this setting, which is also one of the reasons why I purchased this camera. At the front, you've got the adjustable zoom lens. I'm not going to get into the specs just because I am a beginner with cameras, so I don't think I'll be of much help if I don't know what I'm talking about. But I've heard this camera offers a more generous zoom ratio than most cameras in its class. Now, to flip the screen, it's pretty easy just with one hand, but obviously you do need to be careful as it is fragile. For those who don't want fingerprints everywhere, I know you can also purchase a screen protector. That is something I need to do. And yeah, now for the comparison part.
So I've just come to the park and I'm using the Canon right now, just so you can see the quality. It's so focused and the image is really clear. And then now with my phone, this is with my phone now. I mean, it's not bad, but let's see. If I film together, same thing. curious to see what it looks like on the computer. Well, the focus is so good.